Hey guys, this is Rafael. Welcome to my video, and today I'll be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, and I'm gonna tell you what I think about this product. This tablet has a great quality. The screen is the size is perfect, it's thin, as you can see, compact and lightweight, so it's very easy to move around. It comes with the pen in case you prefer to handwrite or like drawing. There's a great plus because you don't have to buy. The design is super simple. Like we have the screen, right? Like here we have the camera, like the brand name. This model is not like the most up to date, but I can say this is a great cost benefit because you can still play in high level, streaming, reading your books, so everything, and it's not lagged. One thing that is annoying for me is like when I'm trying to slide the screen and then it gets lagged. But you won't have any issue with this product. Samsung is a very reliable brand. Overall, I think this is a great cost benefit with high quality. If you are searching for something that you can keep for a longer run, this is a great choice. So I highly recommend this product.